Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 15. Today's grammar is going to be about alphabet. Together with the alphabet, we're going to learn the colors. So let's get started. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, or in British English, Z. And now we can connect the letters with colors. A, azure, amber. B, blue, black, brown. C, coral, copper, champagne. D, dark colors like dark blue. E, emerald green. F, fuchsia. G, for green, gray, or gold. H, honey. I, ivory, indigo. J, jasmine. K, khaki. L, lavender or light colors like light blue. M, magenta or medium colors. N, navy, nude color. O, orange, olive. P, pink, purple, or pastel colors. Q, quartz. R, red, rose. S, salmon, silver. T, turquoise, tangerine. U, unicorn. V, violet. W, white. X, xylophone. Y, yellow. Z, zest. Be careful with X because it's read as Z. Xylophone, as I said, or xenophobia, and many others. You don't have to remember all the colors, just the basic ones, like green, red, yellow, black, brown, blue, purple, pink, orange, gold, and silver.